Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motorcycle carb cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Gosnor Carburetor Cleaning Kit. This kit is packed with 31 versatile tools, including 3 double-ended brushes, 5 cleaning brushes of varying sizes, and 23 cleaning needles. Designed to tackle stubborn debris and clogs in carburetor jets and small orifices, this kit is an excellent option for maintaining motorcycles, ATVs, welding torches, and even spray guns. The spiral-shaped brushes and needles penetrate deep into narrow passages, ensuring thorough cleaning and extended carburetor life. The build quality is commendable, with stainless steel and nylon materials ensuring durability and reusability. It also comes with a compact storage case, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether you're working in your garage or taking it on a trip, the Gosnor kit is easy to carry and organize. However, it's worth noting that this kit is best suited for manual cleaning tasks and may not be ideal for engines requiring chemical treatments. In terms of value, this kit is a great choice for hobbyists and DIYers who want a cost-effective cleaning solution. The wide range of tools ensures versatility, but it may not be as effective for tackling water-related issues or gum buildup in fuel lines. If you prefer a hands-on approach to carburetor maintenance, Gosnor's cleaning kit will serve you well. Pros include its comprehensive toolset and portability, while the lack of chemical cleaning functionality might be a drawback for some users. At rank number 4, we have the Mutter Set of 9 Carburetor Cleaning Kit. This compact and portable kit features 5 stainless steel needle cleaning tools and 5 brushes of various diameters, ranging from 2 mm to 7 mm. Whether you're tackling dirt buildup in motorcycle carburetors or cleaning spray guns, this versatile set is designed to get the job done. The spiral bristles on the brushes are particularly effective at reaching deep into small jets and channels, leaving no dirt behind. Made from 304 stainless steel and nylon, the Mutter kit is built for durability and flexibility. Its detachable keyring and aluminum storage box make it easy to organize and store. However, it's important to note that this kit is specifically designed for carburetor engines and may not work on non-carburetor systems. The compact design is well-suited for hobbyists and small engine enthusiasts who want a practical cleaning solution without the need for chemicals. In terms of performance, the Mutter kit excels at manual cleaning tasks. It's best suited for users who prefer a hands-on approach and don't mind spending extra time working through stubborn dirt deposits. The pros of this kit are its portability and durable materials, while the cons include its limited scope of use and lack of chemical cleaning capabilities. Overall, it's a solid pick for motorcycle owners looking for an affordable and effective cleaning tool. Taking the number 3 spot is the Mote Fittings Carburetor Cleaning Kit, which offers an impressive range of tools designed for precision cleaning. This kit includes 13 cleaning wires, 10 cleaning needles, 5 nylon brushes, and 1 pointed pick. With tools of varying diameters, it's capable of tackling dirt and debris in carburetor jets, nozzles, and other hard-to-reach areas. The standout feature is its versatility, as it works across motorcycles, ATVs, welding equipment, lawn tools, and more. The materials used in the kit are stainless steel and nylon, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and flexibility. The detachable keyring and aluminum case make storage and portability a breeze, and the reusable tools provide excellent value for money. While highly effective for manual cleaning, this kit may not address water-related issues or ethanol deposits in fuel systems, which could require chemical additives. Overall, the Mote Fittings Kit is ideal for users who need a versatile and reliable set of tools for detailed carburetor maintenance. Its pros include a wide range of cleaning tools and durable build quality, while its cons center around the absence of chemical cleaning capabilities. For DIY enthusiasts or mechanics who prefer a hands-on approach, this kit is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 2 is the Tina Carburetor Cleaner Kit, which stands out for its comprehensive cleaning toolset. This kit includes 15 nylon brushes, 30 cleaning needles, 13 cleaning wires, a hexagonal wrench, and a pointed pick. Designed to clean clogs and debris from carburetor jets and small holes, it's perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, spray guns, and even camping stoves. The spiral needles and brushes penetrate deeply, ensuring thorough cleaning and improved engine performance. The build quality of the Tina kit is excellent, with stainless steel and plastic materials that are both durable and reusable. The tools are portable and come with a detachable keyring for easy hanging and storage. While it excels at manual cleaning tasks, users should note that it doesn't address water removal or ethanol buildup, which may require a chemical solution. With its extensive range of tools and reliable performance, the Tina kit is ideal for small engine enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its pros include its versatility and durable materials, while its cons include its lack of chemical cleaning capabilities. If you're looking for a robust and portable cleaning solution, the Tina kit is a great option. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.